Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid, and I'm back with more coffee recipes, coffee reviews, and coffee adventures. And today, if you love coffee and if you love pumpkin, then you need to stick around because you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. As you know, Starbucks has all their pumpkin spice everything out right now. And last year when I tried the new Pumpkin Cream Cold Brew, I really liked it. I think it was my favorite out of all their seasonal flavored pumpkin holiday drinks. I've always been a fan of the pumpkin spice latte, but the cold brew with pumpkin cream was really my favorite. So today I'm going to show you how to recreate a pumpkin cream cold brew at home. So this is what you need. You obviously need cold brew, or you could not necessarily use cold brew. You could use iced coffee as well. It's your choice either way. You could buy ready-made cold brew from the store or make your own cold brew at home. Either way is fine, but I like to make my own iced coffee with the Nespresso capsules because you guys know I love Nespresso. So today I'm going to be using the Nespresso Ice Forte iced coffee capsule to make it. And then you're going to need your pumpkin cream, which is just basically creamer for your coffee, and you put it in, you put pumpkin flavoring. And I've seen other recipes where they put pumpkin puree, pumpkin pie filling, pumpkin pie spice, ground spice, and you can use all of those items as well. But I'm going to make it super easy and quick for you. We're going to use pumpkin caramel cream syrup, and you could find these at the stores. I bought these at Marshall's, I believe, TJ Maxx, but TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Ross, all those stores carry these syrups. And right now, being the pumpkin season holiday, flavors are out, so this should be easy to find and online as well. So you're gonna need your syrup, and for the cream, I like to use heavy whipping cream. You can use half and half, you can use regular milk, but this seems to work the best for me. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is have our pumpkin cream ready to go. We're gonna make it, and I like to make it with the Nespresso Arancino milk frother. You can use any frother you like, and if you don't have a frother, then you can use the little handheld frothers that have the little whisk at the bottom. I'm sure you've all seen it. I have one. If you do not have a milk frother, you can always use one of these. These are super cheap. I bought this one at IKEA for like $3. It works pretty good. So you don't need a fancy milk frother, but if you do have one, this works really great. So you need your heavy whipping cream. We're gonna put some in there. And you don't need a whole lot if you're just making one drink, but in here there is a line, so I believe it's like half a cup. So I'm going to fill it up to the little line. There we go. Then I'm going to add the pumpkin caramel cream syrup. And again, you could use plain pumpkin syrup, pumpkin pie syrup. There's a few different flavors of pumpkin syrups. You can use any pumpkin flavor you like. I like this one, and this is the one I have, so this is what we're gonna use. So you're just gonna pump a couple pumps in there. I think 3 should be good. If you like it extra pumpkin-y, extra, and this is a sugar-free, so it's not going to be super duper sweet. Ooh, there we go. And this frother is good too because I'm going to froth it on the cold setting, so my cream is going to be, pumpkin cream is going to be cold, not hot. And you just hold it down for 2 seconds. And the light turns blue, and there you go. Coffee ready to brew. So it is done, and as you can see it in there, it's nice and frothy, and I'm going to pour it in here to make it easier to pour. Ooh, that's pumpkin-y. Okay, now we're going to brew our coffee. And I'm going to brew it directly into the ice. And if you were using the cold brew, then you would just pour your cold brew into your cup and go from there. But like I said, I like the espresso. So we're going to make our iced coffee. You can add as much pumpkin cream as you like, and that's it. Pumpkin cream cold brew iced coffee, cold coffee, whatever you want to call it. So now we need to taste it. Oh, and also if you want to add some pumpkin spice on the top or a little cinnamon, I like cinnamon to give it that little extra flavor of fall and the holidays. So just sprinkle a little cinnamon. There you go. Easy, simple. You just saved yourself a lot of money not going to Starbucks. But let's try it. Let's see if it tastes just as good. Ooh. Gotta mix it in. Okay. I don't like these straws. It. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go and subscribe. And I did a new playlist for coffee recipes, so if you want to it stopped recording. Yeah, oh, there it is. Make sure you go and subscribe for more coffee recipes, coffee reviews. If you like this video, if you like this cold brew pumpkin cream recipe, if you like this cold brew iced coffee pumpkin recipe, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.